Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Najah Marie, back with another video, and today is Sunday. It's a beautiful day, and I'm going to take you guys with me while I complete my Sunday reset routine. So basically a routine where I reset myself for the week coming up, and this is my first time doing this kind of thing. I usually would do some form of it in the past, which was mostly just like some laundry and some cleaning here, a little bit of this there, a little bit of that there. But this time I wanted to do a full-blown like routine, and also do some things that I wouldn't normally have done in the past that I really want to incorporate to help center myself and reduce my stress levels and so on and so forth. So I'm taking you guys with me, and we're gonna have fun. Okay you guys, sorry about the lighting. I am underexposed, so let me see if I can move you guys. See, this is better, but you guys can't like see the stuff that I bought. So we're gonna be back over here. Obviously I bought, well, not obviously because I didn't film it. Can you see me? Barely. Oh my god, the lighting. Okay, so I guess we'd have to do this like this. You guys saw that I went to Office Depot and I went to get a paper shredder. And then after that, I made the really semi poor mistake of going to Bath and Body Works. Initially, I was going to go there just to get like the wallflower things to have around the house. And then, you know, it's like going into Walmart. You go in with one idea of what you're looking for, what you need, then you come out with 50 different things. I got more than what I went in there for, but I'm gonna show you guys that after. I do a little mini Walmart haul. So, I got Pine Glow, because they didn't have any Pine Sol. They had Pine Sol, but they didn't have the original. They had it in lemon, and sometimes lemon for me can be too much, so that was a no. I got wood cleaner, even though I'm pretty sure I have multiple bottles of wood cleaner already, but I wanted something a little bit more natural, less synthetic. Then I got some canned black beans for dinner, because I really want to cook something, you know, so I don't have to do that tomorrow or the next day. It's 3 o'clock now, and I have to clean something today, so I know that's going to take me a little bit longer, so I might just fix some soup. Got some limes, because limes are good for you. And coconut oil, the unrefined kind, because yeah, that was pretty much all they had. And then I got some bread. Yeah, so let me show y'all what I got from BBW, BMBW, BBW. Okay, oof. Yes, I'm sitting on the floor, and yes, you guys are in my living room. Let me show you guys what I bought. I bought, okay, so today was the last day for the buy 2 get 2 free on the 3-wick candles. So, you know, I had to I didn't have to, but I did it anyway. So I bought 4 candles. They also had a promotion where you buy 4 of the hand soaps for $20. So I got 4 hand soaps. I got the peach pink blossom, which smells awesome. Their black cherry merlot, white tea and sage, and then their crisp morning air. Honestly, Bath and Body Works just recycles the same scents over and over and over again. Or they'll take one scent away or out of the rotation and then put it back in a couple years later as if it's something new. And I'm only saying this because I used to work there. A lot of their new scents really just are put in new packaging, slapped with a different label on it to make it sound new, but it's really not. It's not new. Yet I spent my money there, so go figure. And they also had a promotion on the body care, but I don't usually buy their body care like that because sometimes a lot of their scents are just too much for me. I usually try to keep like my scents light and simple in a way. One of their newer scents that I actually liked is the honey wildflower, and I got it in the fragrance mist. The promotion I think was like buy 3 get 3 free, but as I buy 3 get 3 free, but I said that, you know, sometimes their scents can be too much for me. That also applies to the candles as well. So for the candles, I got their iced dragon fruit tea, which will be awesome during the, I would say, spring, summer. So I'm not gonna use it just yet because obviously it's fall. Then I got their champagne toast in the pink one, which I also like. So it's nice to have a nice fruity scent. Obviously I probably won't use this until maybe, again, spring, summer, because right now I'm not really feeling fruity. And then I bought their stress relief in the eucalyptus and spearmint. I don't know what happened to their eucalyptus mint candle, but I missed that one, and I actually like that one, and I can't believe they got rid of it. So I had to go with this one. It's a palette cleanser. And then last but not least, I just bought a second eucalyptus candle. I have 2 fruity and 2 clean minty scents, which I'm excited to use. However, I also have 2 or 3 other candles that I need to burn through, so those will be like placed on standby. I don't feel like doing anything at this point. Hey you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed my Sunday reset routine, if you can call it that. I am going to end this video here. And if you've been liking my content so far, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Laters!